Hello everyone, welcome back to Spacious We Love, and I'm your host B1 Boy, and today we are in a 3-bedroom in KIlimani off Kindaruma Road, and this is a fantastic development. It's a perfect home. I love everything about this development. I love the fact that it has a spa, a sauna. I love the fact that it has a heated pool, a gym, and of course a kids play area. One of the things that you will realize with most of the Nairobi developments is that they come with the best of the amenities, which is now kind of like a standard for most developments here. And another thing that is standard is the fact that most of these developments offer a good payment plan. This is from around 2 to 3 years with 0 interest. And another thing that is very standard is with the kitchen, the fittings that they provide, for example, the cooker, the oven, the hood, sometimes even the refrigerator or the microwave. But developments are different, and let me take you through what this comes with, and I'm sure this is something that you will enjoy. Stay tuned. Let me start from the door. Hello. So one thing that is a bit standard that I was talking about is the fact that most developments will have this provided for. So this is mostly a shoe rack that you can use. You can use this part for your coats or your umbrellas or your boots if it's a rainy season. And then we have the door that comes with a biometric finish here for enhancing your security inside your house. Comes with a fingerprint, eye scanner, and a key if that's what you opt for. We also have the intercom system here that you can use to communicate with the security guard. I love this walk through here. You can put your console here, or just like in this show house, you can have your big portrait here and have the lights just do their thing. Another thing to mention that the lights come with the house. I love the gypsum ceiling, making sure that you have that cozy and classy look in your house. On this side, we have the laundry area that you can use to put your towel. We can have your washer and your dryer. Here we have inlet and outlet provided. We have a socket there, and of course perfect aeration. We have a window there. I want you to imagine everything comes with the house, of course, apart from the furniture. So we have that entry porch right there. We have some nice storage spaces here. We have the kitchen that comes with nice fittings. The lightings also come with the house. I mean, this is your perfect home. So this is a 3-bedroom. It's a 3-bedroom plus DSQ that you can have as a home, and it's located in a perfect location for that. So we have this background here, comes with the house, very well done, just to give it that elegant finish. I mean, the lighting, the window that it spreads all the way from this wall to the wall, from ceiling to the ground. Perfect. The balcony is so big, I cannot wait to show you what we have for you. So right now, let's head to the kitchen and see what we have there. Remember what I've said, this also comes fitted for you, which is so nice. Now you can choose to have your dining right here, as we have staged right here. This is like a 6-seater, fits perfectly, very nice and perfect for hosting your guests there. Your kitchen is right here, comes with a sink and a faucet. Then we do have an oven right here, comes with a 5-burner cooker, and of course we'll have provided here a hood extractor and adequate sockets here. You can put your refrigerator here. We also have an option where you can have your kitchen opened up all the way to the DSQ and leave out the DSQ. So that is the advantage of buying off plan, is the fact that you can customize according to your liking. You can have some rooms improved, you can have some walls knocked off, entirely and create better space according to your desire. So right now let's see these bedrooms, then I will show you the other bedrooms on this other side. So let's start from here. So this is the DSQ that I was talking about. Very nice space here, comes with wardrobes on this side, comes with, of course, its bathroom right there. Then we have your bathroom on this side. I love the way they have done the sink right here, just to ensure that there is no spillage of water whenever you're using the sink to wash your hands. The workmanship is very, very good. The medicine cabinet is so well done. The cubicle for your shower, and also the fact that they were very thoughtful to provide a bidet for my ladies. You all know what that is, a socket here using for your shaving. So this bathroom will be used by the guests and anyone who is using this bedroom, because the rest of the bedrooms come en suite. So fits perfectly a 5x6 bed, which we call here a queen sized bed. Then we have your window here, you can open it up to enjoy more lighting. Then the wardrobe space has been done so well, ensuring that you have adequate space for every morning fight that you do not have enough clothes for the day. Now we come straight again, passing over the nice living area. Now we come to these other bedrooms, and I love this space here, the privacy that it's giving, and the fact that both of these rooms come en suite. It's for you to decide really which one you want for the master bedroom, but I will show you my preference. So we have this bedroom here, queen size bed as well, enough even to fit the bedside tables. Then we, of course, we have also your ensuite bathroom right here. Then as we head to the other bedroom, you will see why this is my favorite master bedroom. So you get inside, has this stretch here before you get to the bedside, and of course this bedroom comes with kind of a walk-in closet, yeah. So automatically that means that this is the master bedroom. So well done. You have both sides coming as space for your all your clothes and everything like that. Then stretching it all the way to the end is where we have your bathroom. We have your shower cubicle there and your toilet here. Very well done. And I think this developer did justice to this room, did justice with the finishes. I mean, we're talking about this background being provided. You just come with your bed and fit it right there. The sockets, you will realize that are put are literally everywhere, just to make sure that however you decide to arrange your house, we have enough sockets. Fits even the side tables there. Then of course this door opens up to your balcony, which stretches all the way, and this is so lovely. I am imagining if I'm on the high floors, I mean, this is going to be so lovely, overlooking the sky garden right here. That's what my mind is just seeing in my head right now, and I think it's gonna be so beautiful and therapeutic for my mornings. Now heading to the other side of the balcony, you can see how well it stretches this balcony. I mean, this is good space for you to even put, you can host here really. You can have some nice furniture here. You can host as you enjoy the views from this side. As we come to the end of this beautiful house tour, I want to explain that this is a 135 square meter, but we also have the bigger sized 3-bedroom, which is 173 square meters, and we have them priced from Kenya shillings 14.8 million. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. I just need you to remember, this is Nairobi. Bye bye.